Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about detections of elements and functional groups in a given organic compounds. So the organic compounds may be O1, O2, O3, O4. This is the nomenclature of organic compounds, unknown organic compounds. So what is inside we don't know. That's why this is not related to any oxygen. This is the simple name oxygen 6. Okay. So first test you have to perform physical characteristics. Just like if color is white, state amorphous powder, and odor odorless. So just write the color, state, and odor. That's all. Then this is the physical characteristic. Then you have to write detections of elements. So detections of elements, how you will perform detections of elements? My friend, detections of elements means elements present in organic compound are detected by Lassen test. When organic compound is heated or fused with metallic sodium or sodium salt like cyanide, sulfide, halide, or thiocyanate is formed. The salt, being soluble in water, passes into the filtrate called sodium extract. By testing sodium salt using a specific reagent, elements present in the organic compounds can be detected. So you have some reaction like sodium plus carbon plus nitrogen, because organic compounds always contains carbon, hydrogen. If nitrogen is present, then after heating sodium cyanide will form, means organic compounds contain nitrogen only. If sodium, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, then it form sodium thiocyanate. If organic compounds contain both nitrogen and sulfur. If sodium react with sulfur forming sodium sulfide, so if organic compounds contain sulfur only. Sodium react with halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and forming NaX, sodium halide. If organic compound contains X only, X is equal to chlorine, bromine and iodine. What is the procedure? A pea-sized sodium metal, a small size sodium metal, dried by blotting paper, was taken in a clean and dry fusion or test tubes. It was melted and 2-3 drops or a pinch of given organic compound was added. The mixture was first heated slowly and then gently to red hot temperature. Now the fused mass was crushed in distilled water kept in a mortar. The mixture solution was filtered and filtrate, means sodium extract, was used for test of elements. So how you will perform this test? Do the experiments and do the observations. Test for nitrogen, 1 ml sodium extract was treated with freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution in 1:1 ratio. The mixture solution was warmed, cooled and dilute hydrochloric acid was added, followed with ferric chloride solution. Then you will observe no Prussian blue or green color obtained, means nitrogen absent. Then do the test for sulfur. 1 milliliter sodium extract was treated with freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside solution. No violet or pink color obtained, sulfur absent. 1 milliliter sodium extract was firstly acidified with dilute acetic acid and then lead acetate solution was added to it. No black precipitate obtained, means sulfur absent. Test for halogen. 1 ml sodium extract was boiled gently with about 2 milliliter concentrated nitric acid for a few minutes. The solution was cooled under tap water and excess of silver nitrate solution was added to it. No white or yellow precipitate obtained, means chlorine, bromine or iodine absent. Thus, organic compounds contains carbon, hydrogen or oxygen. If nitrogen absent, sulfur absent, chlorine absent or bromine absent or iodine absent. So in these experiments, what will happen if oxygen presents? Then we will decide which elements is present in element analysis. So my friends, this is very important. You have to find out what is the carbon, hydrogens and oxygen. So first you have to write the detections of elements, then detection of functional groups. Now you know the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen present, then detections of functional group. So do the experiment, first experiment, then observations, and then inference. So like this you can see. Copper foil test. A little or organic compounds was ignited on a clean copper foil or metallic spoon. Organic compound burned with non-luminous, non-shooty flame, aliphatic organic compounds present. So litmus paper test. Aqueous solutions of organic compound was tested with red or blue litmus paper. Organic compound dissolved in cold water and solution was neutral to litmus paper. So inference may be carbohydrate, ketones, aldehydes of low molecular weight. Then you have to perform next experiments. Then the third experiments, a small amount of organic compound was taken in a test tube and about 1 milliliter bench sodium hydroxide solution was added. So organic compound dissolved in cold water and solution was neutral to litmus paper. What is the inference? May be carbohydrate present. So a small amount of oxygen organic compounds was treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Then you will observe the whole solution turned black and a smell of burnt sugar was felt. Red precipitate obtained. So maybe carbohydrate. Then perform the failing solution test. Equal volume of failing solution number 1 and 2 were mixed in test tube. To the mixture solution deep below, a small amount of organic compound was added and heated gently to boiling. Then you will observe silver mirror formed on the inner wall of the test tube. So aldehyde groups reducing sugar presence. Then you have to perform the next experiment, tolerance reagent. A small amount of organic compound was added to ammonical silver nitrate solution, tolerance reagent, and mixture was warm for few minutes on water bath. A violet ring formed at the junctions of the two liquids, aldehyde group reducing sugar present. Then you have to perform Mollis test. To aqueous dilute solution of organic compound, 2 drops of 10% solution of alpha naphthol in color form was added. Now 1 milliliter of concentrated sulfuric acid was added to it dropwise. Then you will perform, then carbohydrate cluster conform. So you have to write result like this. Thus given organic compound contains aldehyde group that is reducing sugar. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.